But let's start with you, Paul. Traditionally, in times of crisis, especially times of war, there have been calls for cutting back civil liberties as something that's necessary because of national security. What have we seen since 9/11?
What we've seen are two things that stand out to me. First of all, we saw that the government proposed and rushed through Congress in a very quick way an unprecedented anti-terrorism bill that really does very serious damage to civil liberties. We've also seen an unprecedented detention of over 1,000 Arab American immigrants in the country.
What do we know about the people who are being detained?
Well, not enough, and that's part of the problem. The ACLU, with other organizations, has put out a Freedom of Information Act request to the government to try to learn more about why they are holding people. But for a lot of people, we just don't know. They're on vague issues like immigration problems, material witnesses without any specification. But most people are not material witness holdings. They're mostly on immigration issues that may be totally unrelated to 9/11.
Yeah, you use the term material witness. Jennifer, as a criminal defense attorney, what's a material witness, and how does a person get held for a long period of time if they're not actually accused of doing anything wrong?
A material witness is someone who's a witness to usually a crime, and the reason that a court can hold them is if there is some belief that they're going to flee and they're not going to show up for court. Normally, they don't just snatch up witnesses to crimes and put them in detention to hold on to them. If there's a high-profile case or they're concerned that a particular witness might be harmed by the defendants, then they might detain them for their own safety. But
well, is what's going on now different than what you would have normally expect for people being detained?
Normally, you don't hold a material witness when there isn't even a crime charged. And as far as I'm aware, there aren't any crimes charged at this point.